Good morning, bulls. Good afternoon, bears. Good evening, crypto enjoyers. I hope that you had a great week since our last ETH video last week and since the BTC video from last Thursday. Let's get started. Let's start the business straight away and let's rumble. Right, so first of all, I do apologize for my voice in advance. I'm a bit sick. I think I got COVID, so that's why the my tone of voice might be lower this week, right? So where do we stand on ETH? As I record, the video is sitting like below 4K on ETH, exactly at $3,989.90. We currently at the position that we opened together like 2 weeks ago. We're gonna review it. We're gonna review the current position that I do have open on ETH. I've got 3 positions running on ETH. Something happened over the week, so I will update on it as well. And first, let's look at as usual. We're gonna look at the weekly, 3 days, daily, H4, and we're gonna review position. So where do we stand right now on ETH? Not much has changed on the weekly, as you've seen. As we talked before, we had the weekly on the cross day on the MACD. Currently around support. I mean, we had no close below that level on the weekly. The weekly is a long way to go. We still have 5 days until the next weekly. But as you can see, we did retested the previous like resistance and got rejected again around like 4200, slightly above it, right? Let me have a look at the 3 days really quick. Once again, you can have free access to our trading Discord directly with the link in bio if you have Bybit account or a Bluffin account. So just hit us up on by DMs, and the bot will get back to you, reply, and add you to the trading group, so you get all information about all trade that we do provide, not only BTC and ETH weekly review that we do provide on YouTube. So on the 3 days, I mean, that's a new 3-day candle. I mean, we've been like dumping for the last few hours, as you may have noticed. People got excited before FOMC meeting tomorrow, and when people get excited for a small movement, usually they get punished. So they got excited and they got punished straight away. We had a really nice retest of the 4200 like resistance. We got rejected from it. We didn't perfectly retest the 26 over there, but no bullish setup on the 3 days to me so far. Might be coming sooner than most expect, in my opinion. Let's have a look at the daily, and we're gonna have a look at opposition as well. So let me zoom out a little bit so we can see where the yearly, the CME gap is sitting right there. Good. So currently we've got 3 positions open on ETH. I mean, I have 3 positions open on ETH. You have 1 if you're on the public YouTube that we're gonna review in a second. So first position I have running is sitting at 48,880, currently down 18%. I've got a second one from 47.32, which is down 15%, and I've got one from 41 and 37.38 over there, which is down like slightly over 3%. So let me put the short position that we had running over there. So that was the idea over there. Stop was sitting around there, if I do recall correctly. Let me just double check so I don't give you incorrect information. So sorry guys. So yeah, my stop sitting at 45.85. So 45.86, 45.85. So that was the position we opened together like 2 weeks ago on YouTube. I did took partial profit on that candle over there and moved stop to break even. So I got stopped at break even on that position after taking partial profits. But I did reopen basically the exact same position from the same, almost the same price tag, because my previous entry was 41.37 and I did enter slightly above 41.38. So I'm basically in the exact same setup, same stop, full size now, as you know, I did took like partial profit on the previous position. So I did reopen same position slightly above 4R. I do think yearly open is coming. I do think like that zone between yearly open to 2.9 and the CME gap is coming. We're gonna get the retest of that 200 SMA, and we're gonna see like correlation between the yearly open and the 200 SMA in on the daily in the coming days, weeks, in my opinion, because you know, even if we're going down, the 200 SMA on the daily is catching up, so it's going back up, and by the time we retest it, it might be sitting basically at the yearly open. So that's correlation for the bull side, and that will be a zone I'll be looking to long. To be fully transparent with you, we're getting closer and closer, right? We're gonna see where we do close tonight on ETH, but so far like the 4K level is an important level, and we're still around that level. I would like to see a close below. To be honest, tomorrow is going to be a really volatile day, so guys, please be careful. If you're entering position just right now, we're going to see important volatility, so yeah, please be careful, of course. Let me have a look at the H4 real quick. I didn't have a look at the SI there. You see, it's pretty clean. For me, it's just a downtrend that we've been starting for a while now, and we're going to get acceleration with the next movement incoming. But can you be bearish if we're gonna have like QE, more liquidity in markets? You know, sometimes it doesn't have to make sense. I'm just reading what the charts are telling me, you know, and I'm just like, news for me are irrelevant. The only thing that matters to me is candle, and to be more specific, body candles. That's all that matters. The rest is just like noise of the market. Bloody bullshit. News don't move the market. News comes at a point where the market need a reason for the normies to make a move one way or the other, in my opinion. H4, where do we stand there? Looking pretty good. You see, we're still trading on the H4 so far. I mean, lose that level, retest it, get continuation toward like the low 3Ks, and we will be happy, no? I mean, I'm sure that some of you bull will be happy to get more like cheaper, if, I mean, to accumulate more, hopefully, if you're not oversized or over leveraged, if you're not a gambler. Anyway, that was a really quick update for me tonight, less than 10 minutes. You know, I like to keep it sharp, and hopefully I'll be feeling better in the next 2 days for the next BTC video, because my voice and my throat is hurting me a lot. So I hope you enjoyed the update. See you in 48 hours for the BTC review. Cheers, stay safe for tomorrow, big day ahead.